Hello guys, right, I've put this indicator on the charts, and in the interests of just sort of suggesting to you that there are numerous ways to trade price action using just a couple of really solid what's the word, indicators and methods. That's the word, methods. So we have the daily line boxes, indicators list, this thing here. You can find it on Forex Factory, and then all you need to do is choose a time of day. I've put it to start at, bearing in mind my broker's time is GMT +2, so 4 o'clock means 2 a.m, 8 a.m means 6 a.m, so I've picked that 4-hour candle. And you do need to be on the American sort of open and close times, which is GMT +2, so that you get the correct H4 candles. So if your broker doesn't do that, you can't ask them to change it, you have to change your broker. So I know FX Pro and IC Markets are both GMT +2. That's not a recommendation, it's just a suggestion of how you set this up. Then you need, when you do download this thing, you need to set the parameters so that you have delete the text properties, and if you want to set up more than one box, you have to change this to, you know, to add a 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on and so forth. So set that up, and then you can start to have a look at possible trading rules. You build your own set of rules basically, and you know, if I go back random periods, we can have a look at this and see how we could have traded it. And you could combine the breakout with a 1, 2, 3 an RSI break and close, bust, pullback, break and close, and in this instance that would have failed. But you've got a 3 candle reversal approaching that level, so you could have traded that level on the lower time frame to test the high of that 4-hour candle. So well, we will go down. I'll show you what I would have potentially built a method on. Is there's the 3 candle reversal there, that candle there, drop the time frame, and then you could use the RSI pullback, bust, break and close, which is that one there, to test that 4-hour high. Perfectly good strategy. Combine it with, that's 16 pips, combine it with a valid uptrend. That high was broken by that candle there, which is coincidentally is our bust and break and close, or break and close above the bust should I say, and you're good to go. So there are numerous ways of trading breakouts and boxes, H4 candles. There's a trend line break there as well, which would have got you into that potential position there. Same trade, but using the trend line method. You've also got an uptrend going on here as well. Once that high is broken there, and that could have got you into that potential push up there. But just pure breakouts using the RSI, sorry, we need to go back to the 15-minute chart, are a potential method. Where were we? I've lost that particular place, but you know, here's a bust, break and close attacking that high. So once we've got the breakout through the high of the 4-hour candle, you can see that move was 60 pips. So you can see how you can build your own method just using that daily line box. You can set it to any time you like. The extension period was the extra 4 hours. I apologise, let's have a look at that indicator again. So I've set it for 200 look back days, 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. as I said. Extend it to 10 a.m. so you could extend it to the next 4-hour bar close, which would be 16, and now you can see those extensions are doubled, as it were. So a few more examples. We've tested that H4 there. Finally, we've done a break and close there. Bust up before it, pull back, break and close. Another $40 move, and ultimately it's smashed that resistance over on the left hand side. And another suggestion down here, bust up, pull back, break and close. I think this happened, yeah, the break and close attacked the level, so we could have traded to the level, or we could have traded to a support and resistance, probably about there, which would have given us 48 pips. And it goes on. Bust, pull back, break and close, 3 candle reversal, test the low. Finally it tested the high. Lo and behold, we had a bust up, break and close. So we could have traded to the high with a 3 candle reversal and a trend and a breakout. It just goes on, guys, on and on and on. When you've got a good set of indicators and a good method, 3 candle reversal, which is just a trend, 3 candle reversal long to the high. There are literally thousands and thousands of ways of trading. Horizontal lines. Build your own method. You've got the tools, the RSI histo, daily line boxes, times of day, and your horizontal lines and the trend reversals. Once again, you can draw a valid down trend, and you can draw a valid uptrend once this high is broken here by price, and then you just use the RSI histo to get into your trades. It goes on and on and on. No break and close, bust break and close to the downside, so you wouldn't have been faked into that trade there. Once we get a change of direction above the 0 level, break and close up, which was that bar there, then up she goes instantly for 16-17 pips in 2 15-minute candles, 30 minutes worth of work, or ultimately 30 pips. And then once we get a reversal trend, valid uptrend, valid downtrend, 3 candle reversal at this point here, bust, pull back, break and close with absolute momentum below the -20 line, Bob's your uncle. Massive move. New trend, basic trend lines, and a good set of indicators, or good indicator, and a solid 3 candle reversal off of some sort of support on the left hand side, and the job goes on. Not so clear here, but we could have got a trend reversal to the downside to attack the low. So all we've got here is a 4-hour candle and the break, or the test, of the highs and the lows. This is the close of the 4-hour. You're looking for trades after that. So just a simple trend line, break and close, 3 candle reversal, and price goes down. Even if you just traded the 4-hour low, that was a 16 pip move. Goes on and on and on and on. Here's a remember, we're trading after the dark green. Here's the bust, there's the pullback, there's the break and close. You just have to do your homework, guys. Break and close, and that gives you confidence. That's a 10 pip move there within that candle. 2.5, 3 pip spread. That's wrong, that's the weekend spread, and you're in profit as a scalper. And then you can't really draw an uptrend there because we've got one swing there, sadly, so that doesn't count. This one does to the downside for a long trade. Just wait patiently for, well, you could use a bust, break and close to trade that down, but wait patiently for a break up. There's the bust up, there's the pullback, there's the break and close, that big candle there. And price once again breaks that H4 high, closes above it. In fact, apologies, I've got the break and close wrong, there it is there. And you have a 85 pip move. So, you know, all you have to do is learn to trust your indicators. I've talked about descending trend lines, even on the RSI. That's correct. That's the final bust, break and close, price goes up. You could have used a lower time frame to enter, potentially long here. So all we've got is an H4 box and a notice, break and bust, pullback, break and close, took you down to the box. No entry after there, so no fakes in. Price changes direction, breaks this downtrend. Probably a 3 candle reversal about here, and then bust up, pullback. You could safely draw your descending trend line. The break and close of that green level here was this candle here. I need to get the right candle there, and then price continues up another 30 pips. So build your own trading method as long as you've got a solid entry method and a solid plan. 3 candle reversals, a 5-minute 3 candle reversal is just a 1-minute trend. A 15-minute is still a 1-minute trend. I've explained that in previous videos. You need a divisor of 4 really to work out the swing trend. So 30-minute is a 5-minute trend, swing trend. 30-minute reversal, 5-minute swing trends. We know the power of swing trends. This would be an H1 reversal most likely, because it is the swing trend on the 15-minute, and that's how it works. So at this point here, H1 would probably have been closed above. Okay, this point here, oops, a 3 candle reversal to the downside. This candle would have probably reversed. Well, we can look at that. If not M15, it'll be an M5 swing trend. Just highlight that. M30, definitely an M30 reversal, probably not an H1 reversal. In fact, it was an H1 reversal. Low, high, high, low, high, 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 low, lower, high, and it broke. That's swing 3. That's the reversal. That's the pullback to test the old support acting as resistance, and there's the continuation. So never blinker yourself, guys. Price action can be traded using a good method, as I've said, 3 candle reversals, and I was going to swear then, an effing good indicator like the RSI histo, and just a simple box breakout. This is just off the cuff box breakout. You can choose any time you want, and you will be able to find valid trades. Thanks for watching. Have a good Sunday.